back to my channel Good Food. Today I am going to show you a famous North Indian dish, Paneer Kofta curry. This dish is enjoyed during occasions or festivals, but sometimes we can try this recipe in a home kitchen too. So quickly note the ingredients. For making Paneer Kofta curry, there are two steps. First step, we need to make the koftas. For that, I need paneer, boiled potatoes, a small piece of grated ginger, green chillies, salt, pinch of turmeric powder, red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of Shahi garam masala, coriander leaves, and gram flour. Gram flour will bind the mixture and prevent the koftas from breaking while frying. I will mix everything well and make a dough. Now I will grease my palms with oil and take a small portion from the dough. Gently roll it between your palms, flatten it and place a chopped nut at the center and give them either round or oblong shapes. Next, I will coat the kofta with corn flour powder. Corn flour will give a crispy and brown exterior. Our koftas are ready now. I will allow them to rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will deep fry the koftas in hot oil. I have reduced the flame to medium and will fry the koftas till golden brown. Next step is to make the gravy. In a non-stick pan, add butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. Next, add the whole spices and saute them for few seconds on low-medium heat. Now add the nuts and fry for 1 minute. Now I will add ginger garlic and saute them till raw smell goes off. Next, we will fry the onions till translucent. Now add the tomatoes salt. Give a mix. Cover and cook till tomatoes are soft. Now the tomatoes are soft. Let the mixture cool down. Discard the bay leaves and transfer it into a blender. I will make a smooth paste. Now in the same pan, add some oil, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and red chilli. Fry them for few seconds and add the paste. There is some remaining paste left in the blender. We'll mix that with water and pour it here. Mix everything well and add Shahi garam masala as well as sugar. Add some water to adjust the gravy consistency. Now cover and cook for 10 minutes on low heat. When the gravy bubbles up, switch off the flame. Add the cream. Give a mix. And finally add the koftas. Give a stand time of 5 minutes before serving. Now you can serve your dish. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the recipe, don't forget to share and subscribe.